This is the newly modernized elevator here at Kohl's in Ross Township, Pennsylvania. It's a KONE. This used to be a Schindler MT, but it got fully replaced. Guys, there it is. Let's go to. Here we go. And it's traction now. Here too. So one. Let's get a cab view. This cab got slightly taller, and he redid the whole cab, and he added floorings to 2,500 pound capacity. Let's go again. Door close just works. Here we go. Here too. So one. This elevator literally got replaced. This is still an MT when I was here last time. Now it's a KONE. Here one. And music is playing, fantastic. Probably gonna get a copyright. We'll watch it close. And that will be it.